In this video, I will show you how to connect NotebookLM to Claude. So basically, what you'll have to do is go and open your Claude. Of course, if you go here to the settings, as an example, then go and click on connectors, you will not find Claude or NotebookLM as a thing that you can connect. So as you can see here, if we type NotebookLM, nothing to be found. So there's no official one-click connect to Claude button inside NotebookLM or LM or Claude as well. So the common method is basically to connect NotebookLM to Claude Code using an MCP module, which is Model Context Protocol. And on the browser, type Notebook MCP. Once you do so, you'll find the first link as a GitHub link. So please prompt as an example, Notebook LM MCP. You can just go to that. Here, as you can see, you will see the requirements and platform support. So you'll need to have a version of Node.js 18 or plus, Chrome as an example. It works on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. And you will need WSL2 plus WSLG and a headless Linux server. And here, as you can see, they will show you the steps to install it. An example, this is recommended path for the end users. npx keeps the binary cache and self-updates on atlases. And here, if you want to install it from the source, an example, so you'll need to git clone the GitHub, and you'll need to get into the folder that you downloaded, install npm as an example, and run build. Then, of course, you'll need to go to node dist /index.js, and here, as you can see, basically, of course, the prepare script also runs npm run build, so a fresh npm install produce a runnable this index.js. And of course, to connect it to Claude Code, you will have to do this. So you'll have to do either Claude MCP add NotebookLM, or from a local clone, you will have to do this second here line. So don't do them together. And of course, here you'll have the manual form. You can drop into the claude.json file if you want to just go and connect it manually. And of course, for the local build, you'll have to replace the command /args with command .2.nodes and with this argument right here. Keep in mind that all of this will not work if you don't have the requirements right here. So if you don't have all of those, you will get problems in your terminals, you'll keep getting errors. So make sure to have those requirements and platform supports before you start doing the installation and connection. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.